Hello, strengths of 10th standards. We can see life is a full of challenges. Accept the challenges of life and lead forward in the life. The student life, many challenges in front of you till you are in 10th standard. There much hard work is required to get success in the life. But each and every human being, there is a duty to get success in the life, to the struggle in their lives. Okay, today we will discuss exercise 4.4, question number 1 and 2. Statement sums again, we will not do this. In this question number 1 and 2 we have to do, and first type 50% we completed, and first question in 4.3 exercise, and one more concept they asked today in this. So what is there? First, it's find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. We have to find the nature of roots. Which type roots are there of the equation? And if real roots exist, then find them. Real roots exist, we completed in 4.3 answer. But a new thing is nature of roots. This is new, nature of roots. You have to explain which type roots are there. For this, I did again wrote here the conditions, the rules for this D, or explain to you what is D. D greater than 0, then roots will be distinct, or we can say unequal. If D greater than 0, then roots will be distinct or unequal. And if D equal to 0, second condition, the roots will be equal only. If D less than 0, then real roots don't exist. Same condition, all three I explained to you, but they only be written exist. Okay, but ये जो condition nature also ये अलग होंगे, unequal होंगे, भी जहाँ पे equal होंगे, पर जहाँ पे real roots exist ही नहीं करते तो उसके आगे पाने की जरूरत नहीं हमें. ठीक है जी, तो there no need imaginary roots होते हैं वहाँ पे, but not in your syllabus. That is, firstly we need to learn the conditions. Or what is D? Again once I will tell to you, b square minus 4ac. This one is D. Discriminant. We say to be discriminant. So first question, first part is equation is given to you. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 given to us. And by comparing the equation first with the x square plus bx plus c, this previous concept same as 4.3. No, by this a 2, b minus 3 and c 5 we will get, or then d we have to calculate b square minus 4ac. D is minus 3. Sometimes students write this without bracket. That will be wrong. You have to write in bracket. Minus 3 का square minus 4 into 2 into 8. Then the minus 3 का square बेटा जी will become positive, or that means 3 का square 9 हो जाएगा आपके पास. 9 minus 40, or you got here minus 31. Or minus 31 is less than 0. Minus 31 is less than 0. All negative numbers will be less than 0. So then what is here? This D less than 0. Then real roots of equation don't exist. If they said if real roots exist, then find the nature of the roots also. So real roots don't exist. That's why we will not find out the which numbers are there, the roots of this equation. Now we will discuss the question number 1 more. So same division we have to write by comparing this 9 will be the same. Only equation we have to change. And after D, finally we can say which type roots are there. No, I am going to take third part of this. Second, you have to do yourself. Third part, equation is given to you. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, we have to give the name to this as a first equation. By comparing equation first with this, or then we will get a 2 b minus 6 c 3. Then we have to find d, that is b square minus 4ac. b is minus 6, a is 2, c is 3. So here what will come? 36 minus 24, that is 12, or 12 what is greater than 0, because all positive numbers always will be greater than 0. Here so since d greater than 0, therefore real roots of equation exist and रूट्स विल बी कैसे होंगे? रूट्स विल बी, क्योंकि ग्रेटर देन है, रूट्स विल बी डिस्टिंक्ट और अनइक्वल, यू कैन से रूट्स विल बी डिस्टिंक्ट, और यू कैन यूज इफ यू थिंक दिस इज टफ वर्ड फॉर यू, अनइक्वल आल्सो. So no, here roots exist and will be distinct. Then they said find them. It means we have to find out also. तो इसके roots हमें find out भी करने हैं. So by factorization, by quadratic formula, you can find all the roots. The best way is there by using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula also we discussed in 4.3. You forward, then again you memorize that and then fix that in your brain. No. Why? Using quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? That is the variable is x, then here formula is minus b plus minus. Here b square minus 4ac, or we can say d also here, or we can say d also here over 2a. Then x is equal to b's value was minus 6, be shown, or d we got at 12 over 2a. What is a? A was 2. No, this will become 6 plus minus 12 over 4. So here one thing more new we got, that is here 12. So here a complete scale is not of 12 is not a complete scale of any number, but maybe means in prime factor we can get the factor scale also, not completely, but means part of the number. That is suppose 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 by 4, like this one. Then what will come? 2 2 in pair we call, or this we can take out. Take is out the root symbol. हम इसको बाहर ले सकते हैं. और then this will become here. See, x is equal to 6 plus minus 2 root 3 over 4. Now sometimes that student starts to reduce from here to 2 down to 3, but that will be wrong. By taking 2 common, because 2 is a factor of which value here. That's why 2 3s are 2. Here 1 means we can say root 3 over 4. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Or this will become 3 plus minus root 3 by 2. So like this we have the two conditions, one with plus sign, one with the minus sign. So we can say like as factorization method also we set either or x 3 plus root 3 by 2, or here we can say x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. So like this we got two roots. So we can set last, so required roots are, at last we have to say required roots are whatever you got that you have to mention here. 3 plus root 3 or 3 minus root 3. Required roots are 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. Here we cannot add or we cannot subtract. You have to write that separate. Sometimes in the book they give the answer together in this way also. But to make absolutely clear to you, sometimes we get a number or that we can add or subtract. Then the single number will come here also. You will get the single number also. No, this was the question first. Two parts, one part I left for you. No, we will discuss the question number second. That is very important. It is only one type condition is given, but question can be asked or the other conditions also. What is the question? Firstly, I will tell to you. That is find the value, find the values of k. Okay, values may be two asked. Find the values of k, that's the value they said, for each of the following, for each of the following quadratic equations. This you know quadratic equations, short form I written here. Quadratic equation. So they have two equal roots. We have to find k's value such type. हमने k की ऐसी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, क्या हो जाए उससे हमारी जो रूट्स है इक्वेशंस के क्या बन जाए इक्वल, ऐसी वैल्यू होनी चाहिए k की. It means this condition is given to you कि वहाँ पे उसके रूट्स क्या हैं इक्वल. We will consider here क्योंकि उन्होंने पहले कह रखा है, तो we have to apply this condition to solve the question. Now first part is here 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation given to you. Given equation we can say to this. Same by comparing, we have to say by comparing here. Equation first with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Some students think why this line is written white, but this is important. That is a to bk c 3. Now what is the given? Equal roots. That's why we can say d is equal to 0. Given equation has two equal roots. Given equation has two equal roots, that's why this line is there. We consider this condition because यह condition मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया. I shown to you. We can say b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b here? Not any number. K. Variably they used. 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to g. This will come? No. This will become as k square minus 24. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. Then k square is equal to 24. No, 24 is not a perfect square. This is not a square of any special number. Then in such a conditions, if there perfect square like a 16 you will get, 25 you will get, then that you can say 4 square, 5 square, but with plus minus sign. Now here by taking what is square root. By taking root. ये square root बोल देते हैं इसको. Root we have to take out. Then what will you get? You will get k square root is equal to 24. Here plus minus also you can say. Cancel. K आ गया आपके पास. और then 24 plus minus as it. 24 क्या factor बना सकते हैं? That is it is possible to make them. That you can write otherwise to the side you have to solve. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. तो जिस बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम हो they can make here prime factors 2 12 2 6 2 3 like this you can get from here, but plus minus will remain because in 8th class square root chapter you did. Now here 2 outside or this left 2 into 3. But at last you will get 2 square root 6, but plus minus sign will go as it. तो k की वैल्यू जो है प्लस 2 रूट 6 और माइनस रूट 6, 2 रूट 6 में भी मीन्स पॉजिटिव भी हो सकती है और नेगेटिव भी हो सकती है. तो फॉर k इज इक्वल टू दिस है ना वैल्यूज, तो वैल्यूज पे को टू वैल्यूज प्लस माइनस 2 रूट 6, तो two values are there, that's the reason values. So for these two values, what will be there? Equations, two equal roots will be there. Now next question you have to solve yourself. But the starting I want to explain to you. What is there, because the starting the given equation is different from this equation. That's why